So them see me with the van. And them ask me when me get the van. And me tell them say, me use somebody to call me family them a foreign and tell them say me dead. And them send down money for the 9-night funeral and everything. And that's how me get to buy the van. And them change other things. You know me I say, so people ask me say, if my family member them a foreign never ask for evidence of the dead body and so me I tell them say, me wrap myself in a white sheet and make my cousin take one picture of me wrap up in the white sheet. So them I say, yeah, the boy dead for real. Them said, him dead for real, man, him dead for real. So I saw money start come down through Western Union in a account. Money when me never used to see when me's alive. When them think I was alive. Never used to see them money there. So I pretend, you know, send up the picture of me wrapping in a white sheet and all of that. And money. Cause as me say, you know, when you're alive, you were dead for thirst. You see a 9-night when you're dead, come like liquor store. When you're alive, you were dead for hungry. The amount of food that the dead yard can feed the world. Yeah, man. So I saw me get my things them. You know what I say? From the van to house and land. I saw the thing turn.
Guys, welcome back to Shop Bout TV production. We have another video for you, so please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, people, as I say, still want to know the story teacher as to the young student. Both of them kill already and then we kill again. You understand? And nothing that. So as a young student now, we are putting a local youth aid. You see, because imagine all the teacher they are school and more pass the student. The student are going to fear and even the teacher and rush him. He might go there and want to defend himself. Because you see, because the teacher said to him, make him have him eyes on the teacher and them thing. So just watch the video and tell him what you think.
He murder you. You hear? You look for me good. Me kill man already and me kill man again. I'm not afraid to do it.
Banyak.
Me don't love nothing with seed. Nothing. So you are easy things today.